In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, organized project using Asana's built-in tools, so your team can hit the ground running without wrestling with complicated configurations. Start by opening Asana in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and team where you want the project to live. You'll see your navigation on the left and your main area in the center. That's where your new project will appear once it's created. To begin, look for the plus icon in the top bar. This is your quick way to add things in Asana. Click it to open your creation menu. If your window is narrow, the plus might be labeled differently, but it serves the same purpose, starting something new in your account. From the menu, choose New Project. A project is the container for goals, tasks, and timelines. Think of it as the home base for everything related to a specific initiative. Selecting New Project ensures you're building at the right level, not just adding a single task. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template. Templates are a huge time saver. Browse the categories to find one that fits your work, like marketing campaigns, product launches, operations, or general project tracking. You can preview a template to see its sections and fields. If nothing fits perfectly, remember you can adjust later, but a close match speeds up setup. When you've found the right one, click Use Template. This tells Asana to load that structure into your new project and move you into the setup details. You'll see options for the basics before the project is created. Add a clear, descriptive project name. Good names make projects instantly recognizable. Consider including a scope or time frame like Q3 website refresh, or a descriptor like client onboarding, North Region. Consistency helps your team search, scan, and report across multiple projects without confusion. Choose the privacy setting that fits your needs. If the project should be visible to your entire team for transparency, set it to public within the team. If it contains sensitive work or early planning, make it private so only invited members can access it. Double check the team and workspace to avoid accidental oversharing. Finally, click Create Project. Asana will generate your project with the chosen layout and fields from the template. You now have a structured space ready for your planning and execution. From here, you can fine-tune the template sections and fields to match your workflow, confident that the foundation is solid and consistent.